Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. As global mahal is completely risk on. Equity markets are rising, dollar is under pressure, US bond deals are no show, and oil prices are not a factor at all. But the whole charge is being led by the Chinese currency and the Chinese equity. They are leading from the front. Because the theme in the world is right now China reopening. Yes, once again the China reopening. Because the current strain of COVID in China is being considered to be Omicron, which means, as the world did almost 8-9 months back, that Omicron means the world can reopen. Similarly, China is considering the reopening in a phased manner. जिसके कारण this mood of positivity is sweeping through the world, and that's the reason why Indian rupee is also benefiting in the offshore, but not that much. In fact, Indian rupee has been one of the worst performing currencies जब से ये डॉलर इंडेक्स का पीक हुआ था 115 के आसपास. तब से that's around end September के आसपास. तब से Indian rupee has been one of the major underperformers. It's perplexing as to why it is happening. Because oil prices are down and the FPI flows have been robust. And if you look at the provincial data, which is available from Bloomberg, it's clear that RBI has not been buying significant amount of dollars, at least on the spot. We don't know whether they have bought in the forwards or not, but definitely the data is saying that RBI has not bought much in the spot. So considering all that, for the rupee to be an underperformer still, that's quite perplexing. But as of now, we are holding short position in USDINR, which we created on Friday, just before the close. So we should be getting a benefit of that, because आज the USDINR is expected to open gap down, possibly around 81.25, 26 के आसपास on the spot. Now the support is near 81. उसके पहले कोई major support है नहीं. 80, 90, 81 is the major support. If that breaks, then you are looking at 80 half as the next major support. So 80, 90, 81 is a major, is the immediate important support level. In between, there are smaller support levels, but that's again that may hold for intraday. But the bigger support is near 81. Resistance is near 81 half. तो अभी फिलहाल ये हो सकता है कि 81 से 81 हाफ का एक रेंज बने, क्योंकि अगर ये अंडर परफॉर्मेंस इन द रूपी कंटिन्यूज, तो वी मे नॉट सी दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एप्रिसिएशन इन द Indian rupee against the dollar. So in that case एक रेंज डेवलप हो सकता है 81 से 81 हाफ का, और उसमें ऑप्शन सेलर्स को डेफिनेटली एक बेनिफिट मिल सकता है. बट ये हफ्ता द इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट विल बी RBI policy meeting on Wednesday, जहाँ पे RBI is expected to hike anywhere between 25 to 35 basis points. But that's something which we'll be discussing on Wednesday itself, because that will be during the market hours. For today, there are no major data points from the world. So इसके लिए it will be how much the dollar index sells off further will drive how much the USDINR comes down. But as I said, as long as 81 half is intact, option sellers can look to sell straddles or even strangles, and people who want to do hedge trades, iron fly is the best option, क्योंकि उसमें your margin outgo is much less than an ATM straddle, और दूसरा your risk is well defined because it's a hedge strategy. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR and JPY INR, तीनों currency pair may continue to have an appreciating or upward trend. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day.